Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually under the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try it for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the House of Anfar London. House of Anfar London has been around for more than 30 years. They are one of the very quite well-known fragrance or perfume houses from United Arab Emirates. I unboxed and reviewed at least about 10 fragrances from them, and each of them was very impressive, especially for the price. And when I saw this beauty, is called Anfar Urbanity Homme, and this one is Eau de Parfum 100 ml. Obviously, because it says Homme, that means it's aimed at men. Let's see how it goes. As always, you know, the presentation is very good. It's a very nice box, very heavy. The coloring and the design is very nice on the eye and the hand, and attention to detail is always there. So it says Anfar here, and the barcode and the information and everything you need. Sorry about the noise. This one in United Kingdom, you can find it under £30. It's not readily available. Maybe you can find it one or two places in United Kingdom. In other parts of the world, you have to Google it, research it, and see if it comes up and how much it goes for. And look at that beautiful shade, from dark blue to lighter blue. Very attractive. And here we go. The bottle is gorgeous, beautiful. I love the coloring. Look at that beautiful bottle. Very heavy. Wow, it's thick and very heavy. It's like a 2 kilo bottle only, and the cap is very heavy again. It's metal. Yeah, it's like a metal, or was it plastic? Hard plastic. Anyway, so it's very weighty. And look at that. Let me show you the presentation. Very attractive. So again, the coloring from very dark blue to the lighter blue. The cap is black, and it says Urbanity Homme, and again, attention to detail is always there. It's got this like a metal plaque on it, and the atomizer is silver and modern. And here we go. Whoa, look at that. Woo! Shoots out so much juice. So it's a massive big atomizer. Very good atomizer. Fantastic. So first impression for Anfar London, and this is Urbanity Homme 100 ml Eau de Parfum. And here we go. First impression. So here we go. Woo! First thing it hits me is the citruses. Massive on the citrus. And the citrus here is bergamot, lemon, a little bit of the another zesty feel to it. Maybe there is an orange in here as well. Yeah, it's either orange or tangerine, or one of those. Very zesty, very captivating, very inviting, very fresh, and quite sweet in the same time. Yeah, sweetness between 0 to 10, 10 being the sweetest. This is for first impression. Is around 6 or 7. So it is quite sweet, but it's not overly sweet. Green, so it's got a herbal feel to it. It's green, it's grassy, it's leafy, and it's herbally. It's quite spicy in the same time. Yeah, so it's a warm spiciness to it, which is smells like a clove to me, but it could be a little bit of nutmeg cinnamon combination as well. So it is in the spicy, on the herbal side. So it opened with big citrus, the citrus, lemon, bergamot, and probably orange in here, and also very herbal and green herbal feel to it, and it's green, grassy, and it's leafy and also spicy, and the spice here is warm spicy. So it's a combination of cinnamon, nutmeg, and maybe even clove in here. can smell some white floral in the mid, but they're not big yet. They're in the background, but it smells like jasmine. But it could be something else because it doesn't have a sign tail of jasmine exactly, but it is white floral and you can feel it. It's a soft middle, basically balancing the other notes together very nicely. The base definitely got something like a vanilla to it. That sweetness comes from vanilla. It's very smooth and it's very rounded. Overall, this is very well done. Just immediately to the perfume, no harshness, no syntheticness, no alcohol. Very, very nicely done. For under £30, wow, wow, wow. It smells much more expensive. It smells at least 80-90 quid of perfume in here. It smells like basically a higher designer tier. I smell woods in the background, in the far background at the moment. See that definitely little bit of smooth wood, so it could be sandalwood cedar combination to making it very smooth, to lift everything and carry everything together and round everything together to making it a little bit of woodiness, but to carry it as well. Little bit of leathery feel to it. I'm not sure if it's a red leather accord in here, but it feels like leather. It feels like a leather accord or suede. So it's a soft leather at the moment. It's a suede soft leather feel to it. Again, it adds to the dimension, it adds to the body, it adds to the overall you know, nuances of this fragrance. Unbelievable, you know what I mean? How do they do it? This Middle Eastern houses, every time they surprise me. I've done it many times, but every time I think, okay, they can't top it anymore, but they come up with things that is better in a way. But in this one is more in the realm of fresh fragrance. Okay, so Middle Eastern fragrances are very renowned for their deep dense fragrances, but this one is very fresh and it's very, very well done. Oh my goodness, got a fizziness to it as well, so it could be a pepper in here as well. It's fizzy, it's bright, is inviting. The coloring is quite correct. It's got a watery aspect to it. The waters is coming from something like a lotus. I smell something like lotus. Lotus usually smells like bamboo, watery bamboo, and I can smell some watery bamboo in here, or at least the impression of it. So it smells like lotus and is giving it that watery aspect, but the water here is fresh water, is no salt, is no oceanic or sea salt at all. So fresh water, but the coloring is absolutely correct because it is blue and it is green in the same time. So it is green and blue combination in terms of fragrance category. So to recap again, opened with a massive citrus. The citrus here is very bright, very happy, very inviting and very captivating. It's a combination of bergamot, lemon and orange. Plus we get a massive dose of herbal feel to it, which is green, leafy and grassy. And after that is the spices, and the spices, you know, look a little bit on the warm side. So I expect it to be a little of cinnamon, nutmeg and also maybe even clove. And in the mid we have some white florals plus that lotus. The florals are probably jasmine in here, so it feels like a jasmine. And in the base we have the woods and the vanilla. The woods are a combination of cedar and sandalwood, and the vanilla together making it again very smooth. Overall this is very smooth, very well done, very well blended, very captivating and very, very good ingredients for, especially for a price under £30. Absolutely gorgeous. So again, Anfar, you are doing amazing job and we have to encourage them. If the company comes up with such a beautiful fragrance, very well done, very good ingredients for such a low price, the way we could encourage them is by supporting them, by buying their products. If you like this kind of fragrances, To me, this is a no-brainer. Absolutely gorgeous, very, very good quality, good perfumery, presentation to match. Look at that, beautiful. So presentation excellent, smell excellent, in terms of perfumery excellent, in terms of ingredients excellent. And it says Homme, which is aimed for men, and it is got that masculinity to it. It's a little bit on the tiny bit, don't quote me, say this is a barbershop. No, it's not a barbershop fragrance, but it's got a hint of barbershop to it, and that giving it a little bit of classic feel to it. Overall, this is very modern, as the name suggests. It says Urbanity Homme. Yes, this is a modern fragrance. It's very, very modern, but it's got a hint of barbershop to it, just to make it a little bit more interesting, to give it another facet, another dimension, without being too modern and too basically boring. Okay, and this is up my alley. Beautiful fragrance. I'm a middle-aged man, I'm loving it. Although overall it doesn't have an age. This is one of those fragrances from 15 to 100, you can easily wear it. So in terms of age, very versatile. In terms of sex, although it says Homme on it, if you like this kind of fragrances, a lady can easily wear it, but overall it leans a little bit masculine if you are interested in that. In terms of occasion, this is very well done. So but it is versatile. You could dress it up, dress it down. You could use it formal, informal, evening, day, casual, special occasion, anything you want really. But it is a little bit on the dressier side because it's so well done. In terms of season, this is better suited for warmer weather because it's quite on the fresh and bright side of things. But because it's got a depth and density to it, you can use it all year round. In summer, less sprays. In winter, more spray. At the moment, I put 3 sprays and it's filling the room, filling the house. So it looks like it's going to be strong and long lasting. But in the next video, I'll let you know the longevity, the development, and good things like this. If it lasts a good amount of time, this is an absolute banger. An absolute banger. I'm absolutely loving it. Oh, gorgeous, beautiful. So it's amalgamation of classics and modern. So that's the attraction of this fragrance. It says urbanity on it, which means very modern, and also they have given it a little bit, a hint of classical to it, to give it that more interesting facet. Okay guys, if you have it, if you know it, if you tried it, let us know your experience. That would be useful for others to read. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, you motivate me to bring you fragrances like this in future that nobody else is talking about. They are amazing value for money, they smell great, and they are hidden gems. If you want to support me by buying one of my own fragrances, yes, I'm a perfumer myself. I make my own line of perfumes. They call the scent of Persia because the ingredients are come from my country, Iran, Persia. We are the oldest civilization in the world to make perfumes, and we know what we're doing after 5,000 years. So we have the best ingredients in the world, well, one of the best, if not the best. And I bring them here. We don't produce that much, but when we do one of the best. I bring them here, I mix them together, and I come up with concoctions. I come up with perfumes that are beautiful, mysterious, mesmerizingly gorgeous, unique, artistic. You need to live in United Kingdom in order to purchase them. They are ultra beast mode, 100% natural, amazing value for money, and I'll leave them in the link as well. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye, bye, bye.